This is Glenn and Terry Smith's house for Christmas. We're going to just walk along here, show you this beautiful, there's our Christmas tree for the outside. Merry Christmas to you. Smile, beautiful. Wave. There's our manger scene. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Jesus is the reason. The family of deer, the moose and the polar bear, the almost lit up angel,
what?
And Mary, Joseph, and the baby Jesus, the lamb, the donkey,
and the angel who's
and the bird.
out
Yeah.
on the top. I have to put it
Merry Christmas.
Ooh, we could use that thing I've got in my bedroom. The thing you pull the